Hey guys, welcome back to another hairstyle tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this style. It looks hard, but it's not, I promise you. So without further ado, let's get into it. With the Pintail comb, you're going to part all the way from the front to the back, down the middle. I took out some face framing pieces and even like this little one from like the middle of my head, but I ended up hating it and putting it back. So you guys will see that at the end. I grabbed my bristle brush and then I just ended up slicking back at this side, and we're just gonna put it into a little pigtail. And repeating those same steps on the other side as well. I put both of my hands at the back to make sure that they're even, so that's a little trick that I like to do before I tie it off, and just make sure that my hands are connecting in the same place that the first pigtail was. And then from the two pigtails that we did, we're going to split half of the hair and gather it all to the middle. I'm going to take a little elastic and we're going to tie that off. And then with the little hole that's in the middle, we're going to take the hair, push it underneath and up through that hole. And then the side pieces that are hanging out, I'm going to braid those off. And then adding my leave-in conditioner to the back part of that hair that we left out. And this is where I pin back those little pieces right there. I don't know why I took them out. I'd never liked those pieces in the first place, but it's fine. The problem was fixed. You couldn't even tell, and the hairstyle still came out really cute. I hope that this tutorial helped you guys at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.